Hey guys, good morning. So I woke up early. As you all know, this is my daily routine now to wake up early because I'm going to bed early, and yesterday I took a nap after the vlog, and that's the reason why I'm waking up this early. I have 2 layers of eye bags because I woke up early. Whenever I wake up early, I have these sorts of eye bags and it's so annoying. I don't like it, but you have to deal with it, guys. So today I uploaded my weight loss video for you all. I hope you guys will watch that video, and I have given so many tips about how I lost my weight, but I will make a separate video about my weight loss and how I lost my weight and all those good stuff. But now go ahead and watch my weight loss video update, guys. I hope you guys will watch that video and will support me, and if you are interested, let's do this together, guys, and be better version of ourselves. And also watch my previous vlog where I decluttered so many stuffs, guys, mainly makeup stuffs, and oh my god, I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw I had so many expired products lying in my makeup bag. And you know, guys, I'm so proud of myself again because I got rid of unwanted stuffs and expired stuffs. It's not good to use expired makeup products, guys. So yeah, it's so dark outside, guys, but I would like to show you my face wash which I use at the moment. It's from Derma Viva and it's Honey Moisturize Boost Face Wash. I really like this face wash. It's aloe vera and almond flavor, I guess, but yeah, it's really nice. I really like it. And I also use this one from Pond's sometimes, but this one makes your skin little bit dry, so you have to apply some moisturizer after using this. But yeah, that's good as well. Do you guys remember, this is so famous back in Nepal and I still love it, guys. I apply it sometimes when it's too hot, or you know, when I want to touch up, I apply that one. It's a big pack, and my sister Sabita Didi sent me this one from Nepal. Thank you, Didi. And for my teeth, I use this sometimes, not every day. It's Carbon Cocoa, and I've done a video for this one. If you guys would like to see my review and my demo video, then please go ahead and check my description bar. I will leave the link for you guys. So guys, my breakfast is ready. I've got bread, grilled tomato, baked beans, sausage, egg and hash brown, guys. It's gonna be delicious. Yo iPad case चाहिँ मलाई मेरो भाइले ल्याइदिएको हो हङकङबाट. एकदमै क्यूट छ and I really loved it, but sadly it's breaking apart, guys. Look at this. It's broken. It's not holding very well, but I'm still using it. If you guys know where I can get good quality iPad cases, do comment below, guys. So as you guys can see from the title, I'm gonna read some hate comments, guys. I'm a YouTuber and I upload lots of videos on this channel. Obviously I will get some hate comments as well, so I'm gonna reply to some of them, and yeah, I hope this will be fun to watch, you know. For security reasons, I don't want to show their picture or their comments, but I'm gonna read and reply to them. दिमाग सही है तेरा कि नहीं, no cow meat, no pig meat. So she wrote this one, and my reply to her is that I should reply in Hindi, I guess, cause I understand Hindi as well. आप ये वीडियो जो देख रहे हैं ना, ये वाला है मीट का अचार का वीडियो, and I believe you came to this video to watch how to make pork achar. So if you don't like pork meat or cow meat, then I'm sorry. I eat all types of meat, but it was a little bit rude because you told me I don't have brain. Obviously I have brain, that's why I'm uploading this recipe for you all. अर्को एउटा मान्छेले चाहिँ मलाई 4 चोटी disgusting लेखेको छ. एउटा गुड म्यानले गएर चाहिँ rude भनेर लेखिदिएको छ. Exactly, that's rude. I can speak English, I can talk English, I can walk English. So if you will tell me only one time, I will obviously understand it. So you don't have to write so many times. मेरो एउटा पोर्क करीको रेसिपीको भिडियोमा एउटा मान्छेले चाहिँ आएर such a lazy person. You are using all ready-made stuff. Disgusting. I guess this disgusting word is very popular in my channel. It's not being lazy, I'm being smart. Euta ketile chai comment garnu bhako cha, this accent, ugh. So basically she is disgusted with my accent, but to be honest, accent भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ change गरेर हुने कुरा हैन. You think my accent is weird, but if you will go to UK, they will say, oh, your accent is also different. So accent भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ it just comes itself, so you can't do much about it, guys. अनि अर्को एउटा कमेन्ट फेरि आएको छ, यसमा चाहिँ no offense but it's totally boring. अनि अर्कोले फेरि त्यसकै तल आएर कमेन्ट गरेको छ, चाय पसलको गफ भनेर. This is my story time video, how I met my husband भन्ने video. अनि obviously it must be boring to you guys, हैन, तपाईहरुलाई बोरिङ लाग्यो होला, तर this is the truth, guys. I'm not making up stuffs, you know. गफ हानेको पनि हैन, लाइक चाय पसलमा बसेर गफ हाने जस्तो कुरा नि हैन. अब तपाईहरुलाई इन्ट्रेस्टिङ लागेर हेर्न आउनु भएको, sorry, my life is boring, but what can I do? That's the truth, you know. अर्को एउटा भिडियोमा मलाई एउटा मान्छेले चाहिँ मोटी भनेको छ के. Well, I don't care if you call me मोटी, you know. म चाहिँ यस्तो नै हो हैन. I don't know you. म कतै जानेवाला पनि छैन. I'm gonna stay here. So if you don't like me being मोटी, then you can go bye bye. मेरो रेसिपी को भिडियोमा चाहिँ एउटा मान्छेले आएर चाहिँ it tastes as bad as shit रे. Okay, I got it. It tastes as bad as shit. That means you have tried shit. I have never tried shit, so I don't know how it tastes like. So that's about it, guys. I hope you liked this video. I don't know how to reply to hate comments, to be honest. So yeah, as you guys can see, this is my setup for my tripod. This vlogging tripod is kind of small, so I needed some height. So I used these cups, candle cups, and you know, increase the height of my tripod. I'm really smart, guys. अहिले चाहिँ मैले यो fireplace को video हेर्दै बसिरहेको छु background मा, and हल्का हल्का साउन्ड हरु आइरहेको छ बीच बीचमा, and it's so relaxing to watch. Obviously यसको तातो त मैले ताप्न पाउँदिन, तर यो हेर्दै मलाई कस्तो warm feeling आउँछ भित्रैबाट. Yeah, I'm just watching this and using my mobile phone, and I just love it, guys. It's so relaxing. You guys should definitely give it a try. I think this video is 8 to 10 hours long, and yeah, I'm gonna just keep playing this one. Got this perfume from Nepal, and I paid around 700 rupees for this, and it's from Miniso, and it smells so nice, guys. I just love the smell, and these are some of my perfumes. I've done a perfume collection video long time ago. I will leave the link in the description bar below for you guys, and I would also like to show you this one. This one is really precious to me, guys. This was given to me by my husband, and I just love it, guys. It's a jewelry box. As you guys can see, it's heart shaped, and it says "Be my honey." I think he sent me this one on the Valentine's Day, I believe, and I will show you what's inside. Just a second. So it's so tiny and cute, and inside you can see this picture. It's me and my husband. This is when we were dating, I believe. And this is the bracelet. It's so beautiful, guys. I just love it. It has pearls, diamonds, and lots of chains. So pretty. So that's that, and he also gave me these dangly earrings. So this is the dangly earrings which he gave me, and it has pearls, crystals, and it's made of pure silver, and he just loves it when I wear these types of dangly earrings. That's why he gave this to me, and yeah, it's so precious to me. I always keep it inside the same box which he gave me, and yeah, it's going back to its place. So cute, isn't it? Tomorrow some of my cousins, they are visiting me. I prepared the bed for them, guys. As you guys can see, it looks so cute. It's in pink color. This is one of my favorite duvet, and I have extra duvet as well because this duvet is kind of thin, and I've already prepared bedding for me and my husband. All set to go, guys. By the way, as you guys can see, this room is like a store room, and it's my second bedroom, guys. I just leave everything in the boxes cause it's much easier for me. Too many stuffs, guys, and this house is a pretty small house. I keep all my stuffs over here. By the way, I won that donut from Blackpool and it's so big I don't have any place to keep it, so it's there. And I keep my lighting over here and my shoes over here. If you want to see my shoe collection video, please let me know in the comments down below, guys. I will definitely upload a video for you all. So ajako lai yati नै, guys. I'm going to end today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are liking my daily vlogs, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and leave me a comment, and I love you all. Bye.